All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly take some work that you currently have on your iPad and turn it into a real quick card sort activity on Desmos. It is amazingly easy to do. So here's the deal. First thing I've done is I have already created ahead of time the card sort. And so basically I've got tables, and I've got the equation that's going to go with it and the missing value. So I've already created the set. All right, it's right here. It's going to be three things that go together in the set: a table, the missing value, and the equation. And you'll notice I have an oddball here. I always throw in an oddball because I want to make sure the students don't know that everything always has a match. All right, so what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go back to my iPad, and I am going to do a screenshot of that iPad. There it is. And I am going to send it. I'm going to happen to send it through, what is it called? AirDrop. And I'm going to send it to my computer, my desktop. And it is now on my desktop. So I no longer need my iPad because it has done its magic. All right, so now what you'll see is it just showed up over here, and it's now in my downloads folder. So there is the image that I used to have on my iPad. It's actually still on my iPad, but I need it on my computer. All right, so now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to log in. Thought I was logged in already, but I'll fix that. All right, and I'm going to go to browse my activities. And I am going to custom, and I'm going to creating a card sort demo. So, all right, so there is my title for my card sort. It's kind of a lame title. And down here, I'm going to click card sort. And there is my card sort. Now, I can see over here on my iPad that I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards that need to be sorted. They're all going to be images, so I can go ahead and make 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards. All right, and all I have to do is drag the images into each one of these things to make the card. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to just quickly screenshot all of them, and you're going to see them pop up on my desktop, right? So I'm going to screenshot, and I'm just going to do this, and of course you heard the number 13 times. I'm going to have to do this 13 times. I'm going to do each of these values. I'm going to do the equations. I don't need my image anymore because I can now see on my desktop is now littered with all of those things that are going to be the cards. So all I have to do now is take each item from my desktop and drag it into its card. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and it's as easy as just drag it. And there you go, I just made it. So now all I have to do is create the answer key. And oh my goodness, let's create the answer key really quick. So that has a K of 4/3. There we go. This has a K of 2/3, I'll go here. And I'm just quickly making my answer key right now. There's my K of 5/4. There's my K of 3 halves. And so this is an X, this is a Y, this is an X. I don't know which is which. I need to do some quick math here. Let's see. Let's see, how do I get 18 triplets? So I get 27, that goes there. So that means this X must be there, Y must be there, and there is my loaner right here. So I've created the answer key. I'm going to click done, and I now have a fully functioning, super awesome, super easy card sort. Crazy easy to do. Use your iPad, create your problems, do a bunch of screenshots, insert them as images, and you are good to go.